Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to fix Instagram not sending messages, Instagram not refreshing the feed. So currently Instagram is down, and if you see the reports, you see Instagram is currently down as the servers are glitching. It's at 91%. So if you check on the maps, it can show you areas that are getting the glitches most. So I'm going to be showing you ways you can improve on your connection, or how you can regain access to Instagram and use it perfectly. So if we go here and we check on Instagram, if I show you here in a bit. So if I go here and I check on Instagram, here it shows users. If I show you here it says users are reporting problems related to signing in, glitches and online features. So I'm going to be showing you a way to fix that. So all you're going to do is make sure your Instagram is up to date. So you go to Google Play Store and update your Instagram. As you see, mine is updated, and that's one step you should do to let your Instagram run smoothly. So the next step is make sure you clear your app data. So you're going to long press on your icon on Instagram. So I'm going to long press on Instagram, and I'm going to place on this icon. Most times it brings app info. So if you press on that icon, or you go to your settings, go to apps, then you look for Instagram, it will take you to Instagram, and all you're going to do is go to storage and clear data. So you go to storage and clear data. So clear data. After that, all you're going to do is use a VPN as your connection. So I'm going to use a VPN. I'm going to open my VPN as a next step. So all you do is use VPN. So I place on connect, and after connecting my VPN, I'm going to come and open Instagram. So I'm going to log in. After opening VPN, so I'm going to come and open my Instagram. So this is my Instagram, and if I refresh, you see it refreshes, it brings new feeds. I can send messages. So if I come and I send a message, it works perfectly. As you see, it works perfectly. The message sends. And guys, that's how you can fix your Instagram. So that's the way you can fix your Instagram, and it will work perfectly. So follow those steps and fix your Instagram. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.